Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to post a job on Upwork. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to click on the sign up option at the upper right corner and make sure that you are a client hiring for a project, because you may not be able to post a job if you are a freelancer looking for work. All I have to do is click on join as client. Now from here, you can log in using your Apple account, or you can continue with their Google. But if not, you can use a business or working email, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now from here, we can just put some information as much as we can. Okay, just follow the on-screen instructions. And basically, we can set a budget for the project or a job or a contract here in Upwork. So it's up to you. Let's say, for example, from $11, you can put $20 or $50, depending on if it's a one-time project here in Upwork, or a lot more. But for now, let's go to the 20. And as you can see, professionals tend to charge $11 to $38 per hour for general virtual assistance projects, which we are going to discuss now. You can have like an hourly rate or a fixed price, so it depends on you and what is the best estimate for your project. All right, you can negotiate this cost and create milestones when you chat with their freelancer. Maybe let's say 500 for now, or 1,000. Let's check on it and click on continue. As you can see, your job has been already posted. All I have to do is just click on edit description right here, because Upwork provides access to a vast network of freelancers around the world, allowing clients to find the best fit for their project regardless of geographic location. Whether you need web development, graphic design, writing, or any other skill, Upwork offers a wide range of freelancers with diverse expertise to choose from. Now from here, Upwork allows clients to hire freelancers on a project basis, providing flexibility in scaling resources according to project needs. Clients can hire for short-term projects, ongoing work, or even one-time tasks. In our case, it's going to be a one-time project with a budget of $1,000. Now, you can also add some screening questions here, right? You can select or add up to 5 questions. But these are the suggested questions that you may ask to your future freelancers that's going to work for you. And also the advanced preferences when you hover down the menu. Okay, so are you looking for an English level with, is it fluent or better, native or bilingual only? Hired it is, you can basically streamline the hiring process and making it easy for clients to post job listings, review proposals, and communicate with freelancers and manage projects all in one place here when you tweak the settings. So it's up to you. Probably like a 1 week. Hours per week, it's like a less than 30 hours. Number of professionals needed, like more than one person. And independent, location is probably like Asia. Now you also have an option to contract to hire opportunity. If this gig is going to be a full-time after trial period, you can pay a one-time fee to convert the contract, and a lot more. And after doing so, all I have to do, you see the orange button here, just click on it. Okay, and once you've done that, what will happen is posting a job on Upwork can be a convenient and cost-effective and efficient way for clients to find and hire freelancers for their projects. Whether they're looking for a short-term assistance, ongoing support, or specialized expertise, Upwork is here for you. Now, if you have further questions about posting a job here in Upwork, you might want to go here at the Upwork Help Center, wherein if you get a hold of a of a customer agent live chat or on phone support, tell them you have some questions on how to post a job on Upwork. Okay, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.